Okay, after like 15 years, we are grinding.
Jack Marston!
We are key grinding.
We are neat. Oh, I think you said something else.
Buddy.
Did you get any keys? Wait, did you get the keys? Then why are you, no, we're gonna do a couple rounds with those keys.
Oh, okay. When we come back, and then just take one with us.
Only have 2 keys max in your backpack because you're gonna need to carry as many blue orbs, remember?
Right, okay, so why don't we use the bag of keys here, and then we just like...
Yeah.
So you can have 2 in your bag, you can have 3, but use one of them, and of course for the keyhole. So you can have 2 in your bag, because we want to maximize our profits for each key.
Here's a key. First, I'm going to come back with the same key when I get it back. We're going to leave this back here.
Okay. Can you use the...
Message. Oh, yeah, sure. You said use the key over here. Use the key, yeah?
I died.
Jump scare?
Yeah. I don't know how.
Hold on.
Can you like, I don't know how she killed me. Yeah, can you bring me a gun? It'll be fast.
I already left.
How did she kill me? I wasn't even looking at her.
I don't even know. Did you get my gun? Talk here.
Did you get my gun?
No, it's in there still, but we good.
Bro, I said give it to me.
You don't need it. Kill yourself. I'm gonna destroy your gun.
L.
Kill yourself. I'm gonna dump all these keys into the ocean.
I'm sending you to Auschwitz, brother.
Kill yourself. That's where you would take it as
Go
it's
pay
going down
yourself.
low. That's why I'm making it get faster.
Danger.
Easy thief. This is back just cursed.
Yo, wait, where's your bag? Wait, where are you?
In key heaven.
Are you at that haunted house?
Yes.
Bro, I was gonna give you your gun back.
Sigh. Fuck, now it closed.
He's
You ready?
How did she jump scare me?
I don't know.
Like, for real. Like, I wasn't even looking at her. She kind of ugly, though.
I didn't talk to her, bro.
You gotta talk to her. Whoa, 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 dude, whoa.
Oh, okay, calm down. That happens.
Whoa.
before I sell.
I need you to buy me another gun so I can leave.
I already left.
I told you not to leave.
L.
Bruh.
I'll buy you one next one. I have another key.
Okay.
Easy mill. Wait, you already have a gun. What are you talking about?
No, I had one attached to my gun. A blue one, because I couldn't get it normally.
Whatever.
I couldn't get it unless I had it. What the?
Full of kooks.
I hit the roof.
I have another key.
I'm gonna hyper jump.
Hurry up.
Don't hyper.
Be a good boy and get here before the master gets angry.
Hold on, gang.
Daddy's green. Check this shit out. Ultimate power.
Come as you are. Whoa, Kurt Cobain. So I'm just gonna do the good old classic. Throw up my gun.
Yo,
Whoa, 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 whoa! I said.
Gun the selling machine?
Yep, I'm getting another key. This is the part of the strat where I have to find keys. Just scoop them all up.
So we have a team effort. We both get as many blues as we can, and then if there's no more at the surface, I get reds, you get blues.
Yep.
Made just about 3K for that one. So from these couple operations, I already made like 10K.
Exactly. We're making the bank.
We should like do Animal Company parts 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and just never post 3.
3 is going to be 72 minutes long. I could split up into like 3 and 4 if you want me to.
She's right behind me. Oh no. She's breathing down my... What if I...
So lucky to do
She is like howling to me like, "Hey." There's 3 of them.
Yo.
They're wheezing at me.
Good day, here.
I am horrified, bro.
Oh. Talk to me, Daddy's here.
I'm gonna hear ghost sounds, bro.
I'm getting as many cases as I have
I need help.
to. You'll be fine.
Remember, 2 keys in your backpack at max.
No, we can have
No, 2.
No, you don't understand. I have an extra backpack that I'm moving there every single time.
Clinics constantly. 2 at max in your bag.
I just got a flashbang.
If you don't open this door, I will die.
You will be fine.
That's what we said last time before I got jump scare.
Maybe happy.
What? I cannot hear you with them being...
4 keys.
No, we're not having 4 keys.
And a boo-boo.
We're only doing 3.
Because we need as much space. You're wasting your time getting 4 keys.
Dude, look, I have another bag right there that I'm leaving there. That saves me like the entire trip.
Fine, just put...
Oh god, I cannot hear for shit. I could not hear anything because they were like...
Okay, can I tell you what I did at least? So you like understand what I mean.
Yes, just... What did you do?
I legit have an entire leather bag and I'm just keeping it. There's one explosion of things that just 3 more trips to make. This bag has nothing in it. This is strictly
I don't see any more blues around here, so... I'm gonna go get the reds and get the blues.
sorry. I don't want to like repel you. I've seen you.
You get the blues down there, I'll get the reds.
Probably at least 50 minutes. Yeah, they're like all down here.
There's a lot.
Yeah, I can get them all.
my gun away. I feel like you throw my gun away with your blaster. It's just like shooting around. Cause like throw it down here and it's just not here anymore.
I think it's just me.
I feel like it's not worth it getting a last one on my. Or lose more profit by your gun every time than just.
Just bring one blaster. There's no need for two.
Yeah, cause I lose more buying a gun. Okay, I'm finally going back to base, so... Okay, I'm gonna be selling now. I'm gonna get out of the tree. Should this be like a lower edited video? Because it's just gonna be us grinding. $17K right now, what about you? Nice, nice. It's probably because you didn't buy 2 shotguns.
Yeah. Maybe.
For a chance.
Maybe.
Well, that was quick.
Charge us